Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 7 by Certificera Publications. Hello everyone, we are back again with a new video with our new chapter, that is chapter number 47, Mind Games. What you have to do is, in this exercise, you have to tick the correct answer. Few options are given for the question. Read the question carefully and look out for the answer and then mark a tick on the correct answer. So let's begin with the exercise now. So here we begin with the first question, which says that aunt is to uncle as dash is to father. अगर aunt से relation uncle का है तो किसका relation होगा father से? The first option is mother, second is woman, and C is grandmother. So the answer is mother. Mother का relation होगा father से. Moving on to the next question. It says spot the odd man out in the following. Who is the odd man? The first name given over here is Sohan. Second is Mohan and C is a sailor. The answer is sailor. Why? The reason is sailor is actually the profession. He is a sailor but not the name of a person. So the answer is sailor. Then in the third question, in a certain code, defense is written as CDEDMRD. So how will you now write need? How can need be written? When you have to actually assess this code and then you will give the answer for need. The options are MDDC, MCDD or MDCD. The correct answer is MDDC. The next is William's father is George's son. William is a boy whose father is whose? George's son. That means George is what? George is William's father. That means what is the relation with William and George? William is the grandson. So the options were son, father and grandson. And of course the answer is William का रिश्ता क्या है George से? He is the grandson. Next, moving on to the fifth is flower is to butterfly. जहाँ flowers होते हैं वहाँ क्या होती है? Butterfly. But as dirt is to dash. Dirt जहाँ होगी वहाँ क्या होगा? जहाँ गंदगी होगी क्या होगा वहाँ पे? Will there be rats? Will there be flies? Or will there be mosquito? The answer is where there is dirt, there will be flies. So the correct answer is fly. Moving on to the sixth question. A and B are born to the same parents. A और B जो हैं same parents के बच्चे हैं. C is the father of A. C जो है A का father है. क्योंकि A और B दोनों एक ही बच्चे हैं, एक ही पेरेंट के बच्चे हैं, तो B का फादर भी C ही होगा. But they are saying but B is not C's son. तो obviously C का बेटा नहीं है तो कुछ और तो हो सकता है ना. What will be the option? What will be the answer? What is B to C? The B to C is क्या वो नीस है उसकी भतीजी? क्या वो उसकी बेटी है? या फिर उसकी बेटे की बेटी है? Granddaughter? No. The answer is granddaughter. No. She is the daughter. वो daughter है, बेटी है, क्योंकि A और B दोनों भाई बहन हैं. Moving on to the seventh question now. It says that if READ is coded as 1, 3, 5 and 7. That means R is 1, E is 3, A is 5 and D is 7. And right is coded as 9, 1, 2, 6, 3. Right को किस तरह कोड किया है? 9, 1, 2, 6 and 3. How can wider be coded? Wider को कैसे कोड करेंगे? कुछ नहीं, आपको सिर्फ ये ध्यान देना है W के लिए कौन सा नंबर है? We have 9. I के लिए what they are using is 2. D के लिए क्या यूज कर रहे हैं? D के लिए 7. Then E के लिए हम क्या यूज कर रहे हैं? Let's check out 3. And R के लिए what they are using is R is 1. So what is the code form? 92731. Where is the option? 92731, 97231 or 92137. What is the answer? 92731. That means the first one is the correct answer. Moving on to the last question. Which pair is different from other? इनमें से कौन सा पेयर है जो एक दूसरे से अलग है? First one is teacher and student. They are related to each other because they are related to common topic, that is studies. Then next is mother and father. Again, they are the parents of the children. C is air and oxygen. Air is a mixture of many gases and oxygen is just one single gas. Hence, they are not interrelated. They are not common. Hence, the answer for the 8th question is C, air and oxygen. Moving on to the quick fact now. The quick fact says that the analogy compares two otherwise unlike things based on a resemblance of a particular aspect. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.